Well, the Supreme Court's decision today to declare PTI Chairman Imran Khan's arrest unlawful does not come to me as a surprise, because the arrest from inside the court premises was prima facie unlawful. We have previously seen that the Supreme Court and courts throughout Pakistan have on umpteen occasions held that a person may not be arrested from inside the court's premises. Now, the term court premises has been expansively interpreted by the Supreme Court of Pakistan. So in 2012, we saw that Ali Musa Gilani, who is the son of former Prime Minister Yusuf Raza Gilani, he was arrested from the court's entrance when he was approaching the Supreme Court to obtain a bail. Nonetheless, the court held the arrest by the ANF to be unlawful because the accused was coming towards the court for a pre-arrest bail. So as a result, it is a settled principle of law that a person may not be arrested merely because they surrendered themselves to the law. And let us also not lose sight of the fact that before the Supreme Court's decision today, the Islamabad High Court had yesterday declared the arrest to be lawful. Now, if you look at the Islamabad High Court's decision, the Islamabad High Court also acknowledges that the Supreme Court and other courts have declared a person's arrest from inside the court premises to be unlawful. Nonetheless, the Islamabad High Court creates this false dichotomy between unlawful and improper. And in holding so, the Islamabad High Court states that while the arrest may be improper, but it is not unlawful and it does not merit the court's interference. This precedent is a dangerous one. This is a dangerous precedent because you cannot allow law enforcement agencies to arrest someone who surrenders himself to the court. So to this extent, the Supreme Court's decision today appears to be a correct one and appears to be consistent with the law and with its own precedent. Having said that, this is not to suggest that the arrest warrant issued by Chairman NAB was unlawful, and this is not to suggest that Imran Khan may not be arrested elsewhere. So if tomorrow the NAB or any other law enforcement agency arrests Imran Khan from anywhere other than the court premises, then the Supreme Court may perhaps not be as inclined to interfere as it was in this case. So I believe today's decision by the Supreme Court appears to be correct and appears to be in line with its own settled principles of law.